Hey, this is Barry with Mud Park Mafia. This is our Razor 1000 pad. Fits high lifter. It replaces the OEM pad number of 2203747. This is machined from a solid piece of brass. It's not bonded to anything, no rivets, glue, or anything. It's the only CNC machined pad on the market. We offer them for most of your Can-Ams, most of your Polaris, Honda Pioneer 1000, the Talons. We have other pads in the making. So if you're interested, hit me up. www.mudparkmafia.com. There you are on the website for sale. Let me know what you think. Thanks.